Oh,
Alright, here we are at the Dayton Wingmaster Airfield. It was a Memorial Day fun fly today, and we're still out here. It's kind of dark. So I thought it might be a good opportunity to demonstrate the Eflite UMX Air Tractor. And going to do some night flying. It's got some nice lights, a couple on the fuselage in the back, some nose lights, some navigation lights on the side. So always a good idea to have safe in a situation like this at night so you get the feel for the characteristic of the airplane. We'll be flying with the flaps, and I'll just show you how it does with hand launching, because this is a good one to hand launch because it's got plenty of power. Before you hand launch, make sure your throttle cut's turned off. Test the throttle. There. You can step out this way. Alright, here we go. Up and away. You see it very well? You can kind of see it. Alright, we'll unleash it for just a second. We'll turn the flaps off. I generally fly this with full flaps, unless I'm just trying to get some speed with it. So we'll crack it open here, show you how fast it is. Do a nice low pass. Maybe. To take it off is safe, it's not wanting to come down. There we go. It's quite a firecracker on 3S. I'm gonna do a loop. Another loop right over us. Rolls. Nice. What it's most fun for is just slow flying, nice and scale. See if we can bring it by real slow. That's full flaps. See if we can manage to do a touch and go at night. Is really tough if you can't see where your runway is. Just got to go low enough till you see the lights on the runway. There we go, a little bit. Let's try that again. Got a little breeze there. Just touching down and back up. Alright, well, there's not much to see here. It's just see the nav lights. But it's still fun to fly at night, and it definitely has plenty of lights to fly at night if you're accustomed to night flying. It's definitely not like the night radian that they have where the whole plane is illuminated, but we kind of missed our opportunity to shoot a nice evening video. It's more enjoyable if you're flying with just LEDs, just nav light orientation. It's a lot more enjoyable to watch it if it's in the evening, where you can still see the airplane and a nice silhouette, and the nav lights just kind of help with your orientation. So Alright, well, let's bring it in and we'll wrap up the video for now. Still running full flaps. The only time I took it out of flaps was just to do the speed runs, but this is most scale and enjoyable to fly with flaps on. So, coming in for landing. Touchdown, here we are. In the grass. Thanks for watching.